Hello everyone, good morning. It's really early, 6:31. I usually don't get up this early, but today is a very special day. It is Rudy's 10th birthday. And we have been under a quarantine because of this stinking coronavirus, so we can't really have parties now, and we wanted to find a special way to celebrate his special day. So I wanted to show you this really awesome birthday escape challenge that I found online, and it says birthday escape challenge. It's your 10th birthday and you're so sweet. We wanted to surprise you with a special treat. To get your prize, you must think. Escape the puzzles or your gifts will sink. The clue, first clue, your birthday balloons aren't just cool. The letters spell out where you'll find your second clue. The clue is buried in the word in the living room. All right, so if you look up here at these balloons, they have letters that I wrote on them. So there's an M, an S, there's an I. Anyway, it spells out slime. We'll see how long it takes him to figure that out. So he has to, sorry, the living room's kind of a mess, but he's gonna have to, let me clean up, find the slime. Where's the slime? Let's see. So I will go ahead and show you our slime. Oh, right. Anyway, here is the bucket of slime. Right, but I was trying to get all the clues ready. All right, so anyway, where do we keep our hats? We live in a condo, so it's kind of a small area. But anyway, here's the hats. It's the birthday boy! Donut!
Oh, I didn't know that was there also. Donut!
Happy birthday, buddy! Got you that donut.
Ow! We wanted to surprise you with a special treat. To get your prize, you must think. Escape the puzzles or gifts, or your gifts will sink.
Sink.
First clue, your birthday balloons aren't just cool. The letters spell out where you will find your second clue. The clue is buried in the word in the living room.
So what's the clue? You have to spell out the word.
Oh, that's a cool birthday. I want this. I want this. Golden letters? What? The golden letter.
There's an I. Why don't you write it?
Just spell it for Mom.
Why don't you write it on the paper? I.
Do I write I? I.
What's on the other one?
N.
That's an M. It's supposed to be an M. That's supposed to be an M. They're scrambled up. What does that spell?
Rudy, what are the letters? What are the letters on your paper?
I think it spells butt.
There's no B. There's no B.
But there is.
What could it spell?
You can spell a number of words.
I could.
Smile,
Smile.
Yes.
limes,
Limes. Slime.
what else?
Rhyme.
No. Daddy said it. Daddy said it.
Slime.
Slime.
Smile.
There's slime. There's slime somewhere in the living room. Cold, 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 warm, warmer, 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 cold. The direction where you're heading. Not
right here?
Keep looking. Warmer, 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 cold, warmer. Ah!
Slime?
Oh no!
He got stuck in slime.
You broke it.
Oh my god. Ew. Ew.
More than
Notes. To move on, you must solve this clue. They are just pictures, or they will lead to you something new.
So you have to use those pictures, the secret code.
Okay.
You gotta figure it out.
Okay, so present is B, hat is C, just like cap, hat. T is birthday cake. D is candy.
So what letter is that?
H.
H. So write an H.
No, I'll just. So H, A, T. What does that spell? H, A, T. Hat.
Your next clue.
This is where the hats are. Tell me if I'm
Warmish. Cold. Cold. Warmer, 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 warmer.
Find the next clue where we cook our food. Happy birthday. Hope you are having fun. If you still have lots of clues to solve before you're done, search, fold, and spin and lift. And very soon you will have your gift. Find the next clue where we cook our food. Here? Oh. You might have melted the cupcakes too. Cupcakes are yum, but now you're not done. Find your last clue on your man's best friend. Emerson?
Is Emerson man's best friend?
Mommy?
No. What's man's... Alexa.
Me?
What's man's best friend?
The noun man's best friend is usually defined as a dog, especially as a pet.
It's not
Mimit! Mimit! Do you have a clue, Mimit?
She's like, yes, I do. Where's your clue, Mimit?
It's on her collar.
It's a key. I can't get it out. Mimit. It's your
Thanks,
birthday.
Mimit.
You're welcome.
Run.
Good puppy.
Turn it.
Whoa! Psych! You're almost there. You've gone so far. The place you'll find is our presence is in our card.
It's in the car.
Gurky!
Okay.
Congratulations, Cage already solved all the clues and felt the way through.
Yay! You gotta save one. Granny got you one of those, so you can open them all except for one.
Denied.